Hi everyone, I'm Garima and I'm a product designer at Software AG, Bangalore, India. Since I've joined this wonderful family called Software AG, I have fallen in love with the culture, energy, and incredibly supportive leadership. During the worst phase of COVID pandemic, India, the leadership left no stones unturned to ensure that our physical as well as mental well-being is taken care of. The company, apart from looking after the medical needs of the employee and their family members, have taken its own endeavors to organize yoga classes, webinars, various talks, etc., which brought a sense of calmness in the midst of the current uncertainty. And at times, it made me realize that the company really cares for us. In terms of work profile, I really love what I do because I do a lot of problem solving, understanding user needs, and working in the forefront of technology. Every day I come home more knowledgeable, and everyone here is incredibly supporting and encouraging, which is the best part about my work. To conclude, I would like to add Mark Anthony's quote, wherein he said, "If you do what you love, you'll never work a day in your life." After coming to Software AG, I totally agree with this, and thank you.